Baby Jogger City Select LUX, the stroller that grows with your family, from a single to a double, even a triple with glider board for your big kid. City Select LUX also accepts a pram or an infant car seat, or a bench seat that holds your child up to 65 pounds. For over 20 riding options, that's 25% more than City Select, and the most options of any single to double stroller. With a 30% smaller fold than City Select and an added auto lock, it's easier to carry and store. It's also easier to control, with an all-in-one hand-operated decelerating and parking brake at your fingertips. And all-wheel suspension provides a smoother push and a smoother ride on any terrain. City Select LUX comes equipped with high-performance features for comfort and ease of use. Customize your ride with accessories, like an expandable shopping tote that attaches in the front or back of the stroller, a second seat kit that folds 60% smaller than City Select, car seat adapters to easily create a travel system, and other convenient accessories, such as a parent console, child's tray, and cup holder, and more at babyjogger.com. Baby Jogger City Select LUX.